I'm a microbiologist by training, and I became interested in microbiology when I was an undergraduate student because I was fascinated by the idea that something so tiny could have such a devastating impact on not just an individual's health but also population health. And so I really wanted to understand how different microbial molecules and toxins, how they functioned to allow a bacterium or a virus to actually end up causing severe disease. But also I was interested in how our immune response is trying to fight that infection and this battle that's going on between the microbe and what we call the host. That is a real war going on inside our bodies. And then, who wins at the end of that, and then what is the reason for that? Well, I think it's a fantastic time for women in science. There's a lot of attention on the issue. We actually, in our undergraduate courses, we have extremely good representation from women, and also as Ph.D. students now, and also postdocs. My name's Liz Hartland, and I'm a Professor of Microbiology and also the Head of the Department of Microbiology and Immunology at the University of Melbourne. And I'm also a Deputy Director of the Peter Doherty Institute for Infection and Immunity. And we do very fundamental, basic research in trying to understand those microbial molecules that are involved in disease. And so we work very much at the front end of the pathway leading to interventions that can help human health. So we're at the beginning of discovery, but the end result that we're after is, of course, a vaccine or a drug that can help to fight a particular infectious disease. So in my lab, we're interested in proteins that bacteria produce called effector proteins, and they have specialised bacterial secretion machines that allow them to inject these proteins into human cells as they infect those cells. And we're really interested in trying to understand what those effector proteins might be doing to the biochemistry and physiology of that cell, and how that helps them to ultimately cause disease in the human body.